Hey everyone! If you've heard about this prompt engineering thing but it sounds super techy, don't worry. Today, we're breaking it down so anyone can use it even if you're not exactly a computer whiz. Let's see if my grandma here can use a few simple prompts to get an AI to help her with something. Grandma, do you ever have trouble finding those online order receipts? We're going to teach an AI to find those receipts in a snap. Walk your grandma through designing a simple prompt, like find my order from store name on date. Show the AI successfully locating the receipt. You can use this for so many things. Setting reminders AI, remind me to take my pills at 3 p.m., finding recipes, show me easy chicken dinner ideas, or even getting simple questions answered when's the next full moon? See? Prompt engineering is just about talking to an AI in a clear way. It's not magic, and you can do this. Did this spark some ideas? Let me know in the comments what tasks you want to make easier with AI. Like and subscribe for more no-nonsense tech tips like this.